So the full-on remodel of this RV so far. Changed out the toilet to a composting toilet. Bedroom. Ripped out this stupid thing that was down there. Put this in there. New TV. Was 21 inch. I put a 32 inch. We got a brand new ottoman. It's got a storage space. Sleeper sofa. Plus the mom's office. Kitty tree. New mats, new runners. They're comfortable ones. New stove where we can move it around. You see it has legs. New island. It's got a leaf, a drop leaf. So more counter space. I had to do it with two hands, take it down. I put these on. Brand new maple cabinet. So this one's a drawer piece. And then the sink base, brand new sink. We used this old one, which was a new one. I put it in 2024. New oven, big deep one. Still got that. Exhaust fan. Put the vent there. That way the heater system gets fresh air. Then Sharon's little office space where she could do her podcast still. Plus, it's got lights. The switches over here. I didn't want to run more wire. So you can turn these on, or you could actually technically turn these off like that. But in her office, I put a different set. It used to have a chandelier thing. Because remember, this used to be a dinette, or you could move these around. So it gives her that. Plus, you could turn them off. So, like I said, that pulls out. It's a full-size sleeper sofa. Brand new little cabinet. I gotta get latches to put on here. So I matched the hardware for the cabinetry over here. These are a little bit bigger, which is fine. But they're the same style, same heavy. We have this unit back here, which acts as a step when we lower this. I think everything's out of the way. No. Butcher block's in the way. Kitty boxes for a litter. I'm gonna put little latches on there. So when we travel, gonna have another one of these. It's USB-C and USB-B 3.0, and plus all the plugs. Plus, whenever you're up here, so you can climb up, and you have this cabinet here as well with two drawers down below. So butcher block up top for a step. So I'll show you here in another video what for the cats. But what I want to do, getting an all-in-one washer dryer put right there. Over here we're going to put a residential fridge, or a deep freezer, one or two. So, and I'll talk about other stuff in another video. So you notice I put this, what they call a cat tree here. It's got the rope. Molly loves the stuff. She loves scratching and all that. What I want to do after I paint and get all the trim up there is build kind of like the kitty couches. I'll have one that goes along the top that comes over just a little bit. That way they can come up here, and have another layer right below it. So that way when we're here chilling, watching TV, they can come here. Plus, I'm going to have a walkway that goes up for them where they can get up that way. Now I'm going to build a tunnel that goes through this cabinet. It'll have a level where they can go through, come into this, right? The cabinet carries through over to here. But what I'm going to do is have a walkway that goes over just in case the bed's up this high. That way they can come over, and they got climbing area all over. So I think it's a good idea. But they'll come out, like I said, from the kitchen, which is right through there.